Welcome to our YouTube channel, All America Selections Flowers and Vegetables. Today I want to showcase 3 All America Selections winners: the Chef's Choice Red, the Chef's Choice Green, and the Chef's Choice Yellow. The tomato plants are all indeterminate varieties. They're going to get about 5 to 7 feet tall. You're going to get 20 to 30 tomatoes on each plant, and they're going to range in size from 8 to 12 ounces. Now, we've had ridiculous rain here in my garden for the last 10 days. The diseases have come in, fruit cracks, and there's nothing you can really do when you get 1 to 2 inches of rain, every day for consecutive days. The Chef's Choice varieties are resistant to cracking. If they weren't, they would be really, really damaged. I wouldn't even be able to harvest them. And they do really good against disease. These have all been taken care of as I take care of my other tomatoes with sprays and pruning, and they're holding up really, really nicely. Let me show you the different varieties. This is the Chef's Choice Yellow. It's a 2017 All-America Selections winner, and you're going to get nice size yellow-orange tomatoes. And right now, I picked a couple off of there actually. There are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's doing really well against the diseases that come into my area, which are leaf spot and early blight. Some cracking on the fruit, and that's only because of the ridiculous rain. Under normal circumstances, you'd have beautiful, round, smooth fruit. This is the Chef's Choice Green, an All-America Selections winner from 2016. You can see the cracking on there again from the from the rain. I'm going to harvest all these, put them in a nice tomato salad with cucumbers, and just show you how beautiful they are. But we have 6 tomatoes down there, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 tomatoes forming on here now. And you can see that the green tomatoes, of course, don't crack. They're much firmer. But if you get the rain at the period where they're starting to ripen, you're just going to get cracking on your tomatoes. You can't do anything about that. You're not doing anything wrong. This is a Chef's Choice Red. No cracking on here. These held up really well. Some stretching on there, but they did extremely well with this crazy rain that we had. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've taken 2 off of there. That's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 tomatoes on a plant that's not even 5 feet yet. Excellent disease resistance. They do well against cracking, minus these torrential rains. Let me harvest these, cut them up, show you what they look like, and show you my tomato cucumber salad. Chef's Choice Red, Green, and Yellow. Even with the crazy East Coast weather, our diseases, the Chef's Choice varieties really hold up. Beautiful bowl of cucumber tomato salad. If you're growing in containers, I highly recommend the Chef's Choice Red and Green. You only get about 5 feet tall. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We do plenty of garden videos and we don't run any ads. So if you subscribe, you can come get the garden information you need without having to sit through YouTube ads. Thanks for watching.